Hello my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and in today's video I'm going to show you how I have created this makeup look, and this is especially for the Valentine's Day and the people who don't like to carry a very heavy glam makeup look, and the people who also don't like to be very subtle on Valentine's Day. So this is going to be the perfect makeup look for all of you who likes to be just perfect on Valentine's Day or any occasion. So make sure that you keep on watching this video. I forgot actually. And I also have a little BTS for you guys, that before I started doing this makeup actually, I was thinking that I would do a subtle kind of a makeup look today. So I had this in my mind, like this makeup look in my mind, this eye makeup look basically. So I was thinking that this is going to be a little subtle makeup look, so I think I should do this for like subtle Valentine makeup look. But when I created this whole look, I thought that this is looking the perfect makeup look that you want to carry, that one could carry on the Valentine's Day. So yes, I actually changed my mind and I thought that I should again reshoot the intro, because this is not a very subtle look, but this is also not very heavy glam makeup look. So if you are someone who want your makeup to look just on point on this Valentine's Day, then please keep on watching. And make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram as well, because I have uploaded so many makeup videos there, so that I have not uploaded on Instagram yet. So make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram for more such amazing content. And now with that being said, let's dive right into this makeup tutorial.
Okay guys, so I'm starting with the primer, and for this I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer. If you have any discoloration on your skin, this is going to make them invisible because it has a little bit tint in it, so it is going to make it invisible. Also, if you have any open pores or something like that, it is going to reduce that as well, and it will make your makeup last for a really long time. So make sure that you do apply your primer. And now for correcting my under eye dark circles, I'm going to use this My Glam palette. I'm using just the color corrector, which is orange. So I'm going to apply this on my dark circles, and I'm going to blend it with my finger only. Make sure that whenever you apply anything on your under eye area, make sure that you use your ring finger. That way you apply very little pressure on that area, which is quite sensitive. And I'm going to color correct everything everywhere where I need it is required. And for coming my eyes, I'm going this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium 25. You can also use your brush to blend it, but I'm using my ring finger again, and you can also use brush or a makeup blender, whatever you think is going to help you much better. And now we are going to start with our eye makeup first. So I am using this Jaclyn Hill palette, which is a replica, not a original one, which is like also quite pigmented, so not a big deal. And my blending brush actually is wet, but I washed them, so I'm using this angular brush, and I was thinking that it is not going to do a very good job, but it is. Using this warm brown shade as my transition shade, and I'm going to apply this wherever we need to do our transition. So I'm going to apply it little above on the crease line, and I'm using a very little at one time, and I'm building it up gradually, and make sure that you also do the same. And for my crease, I am going to use this dark brown shade, and I am going to place this on the crease, and I am going to place it exactly on the crease dip we have there, and I am going to blend it beautifully into the transition shade. And make sure that you do the same. Make sure that your both colors are blended together very neatly and they don't look different from each other. Now I'm going to dip my brush into this dark grey shade, and again I'm going to place it exactly where I have placed my crease shade. I'm going to place this on my crease, in my crease line, and I'm not going too high at all. I am keeping it till my lid. I can go little down, but I'm not going too above the crease. And first I'm going to place it, and then I'm going to blend it. On the outer corner, I am going to intense the shade a little more. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty Glow palette, which is my favorite, and I am going to use this white highlighting shade in this palette, and I am going to place the glitter wherever I have applied my dark grey shade, and I am going to place it exactly there all over my lid basically. Finally, it's time to do our base makeup, and I'm using this L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation. First, I'm going to place the foundation and then I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. You will find all the details and link of the products in the description box below. So if you want to make any purchase, you can check that out. Now I'm using the same Maybelline concealer in the shade medium 25 from the Fit Me range, and I'm going to apply it wherever I need to highlight my area. So I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face basically. Now to set my base, I am going to use this Maybelline New York compact powder. I am going to apply it all over my face, not going to leave any area, and I am going to apply this all over my face. Now to contour my face, I am going to use this Sugar Cosmetic Contour the Force palette, and if you are on the deeper skin or medium skin, I would suggest that you go for the Vivid Victory palette, but for fair skin, this is going to be the perfect palette. I'm in the shade Subtle Summit, but I think this needs a little more build up to show on my skin, so I would suggest if you are medium or darker, use the other one. And now for lining my eyes, I'm using this Faces Canada eyeliner. This is a little bit on the dewy side, so if you need matte, you can go for any other matte eyeliner, but this is not completely matte, it has a little bit dewy finish to it. Since I don't want this makeup look to be very dramatic, so I'm not going to apply a winged eyeliner. I'm going to apply just a normal eyeliner as according to my eye shape. So you can go with your call actually. Now I'm going to use this pencil brush, and I'm going to dip this into the same brown shade that I used for my crease, and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line and blend it really well. Now for blush, I am going to use this My Glam K Play blusher, and I am going to take a little bit, since it is a very highly pigmented blush, so make sure that you also keep that in your mind. And this is in the shade 03 Sweet Peach, and I have dipped my brush just once. I completed my entire face, the nose and the other cheek as well. So yes, be very careful with the quantity that you are taking. I am using this for the very first time, and I'm going to do a complete review on this, so make sure that you watch that. And yeah, this is going to be live very soon. Now it's time to do our lashes. I'm using this Seri mascara to do my lashes, and this is going to look my eyes very heavy and dense basically. Now it's time to glow up a bit more, so I'm using the same Contour de Force palette by Sugar Cosmetic, and I'm going to apply the highlighter on the high points of my face now. For my lips, I am using this My Glam Lit lipstick. I am in the shade Hook Up, and this is a very beautiful nude brown shade and with a little bit in the warm tone. So yes, this is going to look very beautiful shade. I love this. And now we have completed our makeup look, and you are going to see how this looks finally.
wrap, guys. I hope you all enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and also share it with your friends, family and everyone whosoever is going to like this in your opinion. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload more such videos on my YouTube channel. And do follow me on my Instagram as well for more such amazing content, because there are so many videos that I haven't uploaded on YouTube. So for more some new original organic content, make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram. The handle name will be somewhere on the screen, and I will also leave the link in the description down below. I have to fumble in between. Everything is going fine, but once I have to fumble. So I will see you in my next video, guys. If you want to see more such Valentine's makeup tutorial, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video, guys. Till then, ta-da!